TransMedia Catalonia, Global Accessibility Awareness Day 2020. Rebuild logo. Pau Pamplona, Rebuild Project Leader.
Good morning, this is Pau Pamplona from Universitat Autònoma de Barcelona. I have short black hair and I'm wearing glasses. Now you can find me at my home office in Barcelona, from where I will introduce you the project Rebuild. Rebuild is an H2020 project where we cooperate with 10 partners from Italy, Belgium, Greece, France and Spain. Rebuild addresses immigrant integration through the provision of an ICT toolbox that will improve both the management procedures of the local authorities, but also the quality life and integration process of the migrants. UAB is involved in different tasks within the project, like ethics, co-design activities, and dissemination, but our main effort is divided into two activities. One, it's running a pilot at UAB to test the application developed by Rebuild. And second, we will design a complementary communication system to make Rebuild inclusive and accessible. But here, my colleague Maria will give you more details. Thank you for your attention.
Maria Jimenez, predoctoral researcher.
Hello, my name is Maria Jimenez and I work in the Rebuild project. I am white, I have medium length wavy brown hair. I'm wearing a white top and I am sitting in my office. I have a white wall behind me and a plant. As my colleague Pau just mentioned, we work together in the Rebuild project. My role in the project is to ensure that the app is inclusive and usable by all. I am working on my PhD thesis on the same topic. Inclusivity and usability are two aspects that are closely related to accessibility, and often their goals, their approaches and their guidelines overlap. Inclusion is about diversity and ensuring that everyone is able to use the technology, in this case an app, to the greatest extent possible. In some regions it is called universal design or design for all. Some of the issues that inclusion addresses and that the Rebuild project focuses on are computer literacy and skills, economic situation, literacy and education, geographic location, culture and language. For the development of the app, this translates in making a multilingual, simple and easy to use app. But because there is a large part of our user population that have low computer and literacy skills, this will not suffice. For example, the languages of many of our user population are only spoken. For this specific cohort, the app will be available in visual and oral form through pictograms, images, videos, and audios. With this, we hope that such important information for refugees such as legal procedures, medical assistance, and work opportunities will reach as many people as possible whenever and wherever they are. You can find more information on the Rebuild project on www.rebuildeurope.eu. Thank you.
Universitat Autònoma de Barcelona, Departament de Traducció i d'Interpretació i d'Estudis de l'Àsia Oriental.
TransMedia Catalonia is a research group funded by Secretaria d'Universitats i Recerca del Departament d'Empresa i Coneixement de la Generalitat de Catalunya under the SGR funding scheme, reference code 2017 SGR 113. The Project Rebuild ICT-enabled integration facilitator and life rebuilding guidance has received funding from the European Union under the programme H2020 Grant Agreement number 822215. This work is licensed under a Creative Commons Attribution Non-Commercial No Derivatives 4.0 International.